Yar, boys and girls, it be Captain Shane, the pirate. And the guest just left me pirate Airbnb. Let's take a look inside and see how they look. We get to review our guests after they leave so that other Airbnb hosts can see what condition they left it in and decide if they want to rent them, that kind of thing. While I do this, I want to talk about how much money we make off of this compared to a rental. Captain Shane appreciates great knockers. So we had this as a single family rental before we turned it into an Airbnb. So we kind of have a really good example here of the difference between the money you would make off of this renting it long term versus short term. So, the guests left us a bribe. What great guests. So that'll stay for the housekeeper. Let's see what they wrote. Wow, they were even kind enough to say these chocolates contain nuts, wheat, and milk in case there's an allergy. What incredible guests we have. We have the best guests sometimes. I mean, realistically, as an Airbnb host, a lot of you guys will see my videos when there's drama or something, but most of the time people are incredible. So we did these custom epoxy countertops, and believe it or not, we did these before we decided to Airbnb it. So this was how this looked as a single family rental to some degree. We didn't have all the pirate decor necessarily, but it was kind of already pirate themed. We'd already stained the floor with a Jolly Roger and over here, so some of those things haven't changed very much. Let's look into the bedroom here. But as a single family rental, this is a one bedroom, and the bathroom is connected through the bedroom, which is always awkward when you have guests over. So, it's kind of not the best single family rental. And we would make about $800 a month on this as a rental, which isn't bad, but it's not the... Hi, Captain Shane. But it's not the best ever. Take a look at this. The ladies always comment about how much they like this for some reason. So as an Airbnb, we make about $3,000 a month off of this, but we have a lot of additional expenses. So we have to pay the electric bill, which runs us on average about $100 a month. Let's check the fridge. We have to pay for cleaning, or we have to clean it ourselves. When we first started, we did all the cleaning ourselves, but now we have to pay cleaners and everything else. But when we run all the numbers, it works out to about $1,600 a month in profits that we make off of this. Would you believe I found this with coins embedded in the top for only $20? I think it's so good and piratey. And generally speaking, we're going to go check downstairs and make sure the pool table area and the laundry is good. Generally speaking, we find there's not as much of a chance of this place being completely trashed and having a lot of severe damage or anything like this. And we also really enjoy the aspects compared to single family rentals of getting to meet different people all the time. We enjoy the social aspects of it. I don't think you'd do well as an Airbnb host if you didn't enjoy the social aspects. We definitely have to spend more time working with our guests than we do our regular long-term rentals. Which do you think you'd be more excited about? Would you like to be an Airbnb host or a regular landlord? Which is more appealing to you?